For beginners, it is very important to be able to introduce yourself in English. In Beginner's English lesson number 20, I'm going to tell you 3 ways to introduce yourself in 3 different contexts. Let us see one by one. To be fluent in English, you should be able to introduce yourself to others. In this lesson, you will learn 3 different contexts of self-introduction. Context is 3 different situations. First, listen to each word and each sentence in this video carefully. While listening, concentrate on every sound, word, and sentence. Look at your screen so that you don't miss out a single word or sentence. Then turn off the sound and read each sentence aloud. After this, close the video and practice introducing yourself to others. Let us begin with the first self-introduction. Number 1 out of 3 introductions. Introduce yourself to your new colleagues. That is what the first introduction is about. A very good morning to all. It is nice to meet each one of you this morning. I have just reported to duty at this branch. So, I thought I would introduce myself. I am Srikanth Kumar. Earlier, I was in the Chennai branch. That was my first appointment. I worked there for 5 years. I was very happy and comfortable there. But recently, my wife got transferred to this city. So, I too requested for a transfer. Of course, I had to wait for a couple of months. Then, one vacancy came up here. My boss in Chennai told me about it. Immediately, I put in a request for transfer. Permission was granted, and here I am. I felt sad to say goodbye to all my friends and colleagues there. But Mr. Biswas, who has worked here, encouraged me. He told me I would make many good friends here. I look forward to working with all of you and spending much of my free time with you. I enjoy music, sports, and other activities. I'd love to participate in every event which our branch hosts. Thank you all for giving me such a warm welcome. The second out of 3 introductions. Introduce yourself at a job interview. Good morning, sir, or good morning, madam. My name is Chitra Das. I am a commerce graduate. After BCom, I decided to do CA. I have completed my CA recently. I came across your advertisement in the newspaper. I thought my qualifications were suitable for this post. I have some experience in accounting, but it is not in any formal position. While preparing for CA, I used to help in a friend's startup. That was for less than a year. This experience taught me many things, but I do not have any experience certificate. I can assure you that my friend found my help useful. I understand that here I will be working in a team. I would like to say that I am a good team player. I want to work in different roles in the team. I find it easy to adapt to change. I hope in a few years I will be able to lead a team. I had leadership opportunities in both school and college. I think all these skills will help me become a valuable member of your firm. Given the opportunity, I promise to do my best. Thank you for this interview today. I shall eagerly await the result of this interview. Here is the third of the three introductions, where you'll find two people introducing themselves to each other. Introduce yourself to a stranger. Hi there, how are you? We seem to meet here every day. So I thought I would introduce myself. I am Radha Rani. My daughter studies in this school. She is in the second class. I come to take her home daily after school. In the morning, my husband brings her to school. Our house is in ABC Colony. Since my daughter is quite young, we accompany her. Once she's a little older, she will be able to travel on her own. You must also be here to take your child home. Hello, Miss Radha Rani. I am Susan, and my son has just joined this school. I bring him to school in the morning, then I come back again to take him home. I have applied for a teaching job here. If I get it, both of us can come and go together. Oh, look, the children are coming now. Let's catch up again tomorrow. Goodbye. With that, we come to the end of the three different types of situations where you have to introduce yourself. You saw how differently each time the person introduces himself or herself. If you practice like this, you will be able to introduce yourself, whatever the situation might be. In different places, you have to use different points of introduction. Your name remains the same, but other things which you highlight change. Practice as I have told you, and then you will find introduction comes to you easily. People struggle to introduce themselves, and that is why I have given you these 3 examples. Thank you and all the best.